To maintain the magnificence of the rooms, neither furniture nor lighting fixtures were installed in the interior walls.
We're going to do essentially a smart furniture layout. So this furniture resembles part room, part furniture. It has to touch the floors because gravity dictates that you have to touch the floor. But what we're looking for is trenching the floor lightly and bringing all the power line, data line into a location where these smart walls are, and everything feeds off from there. We don't touch the walls, we don't touch the ceiling.
With the revival of this landmark, the McCormick Apartments will remain an integral part of the historic fabric of the DuPont Circle neighborhood.